Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 6 divided by 1 over 3 multiplied by 4. Now we shall add by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now on left side we have division and then we solve multiplication. So now we solve add division. So we solve add by the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So we keep first fraction 6 over 1 and change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, so they give us 3 over 1 and multiply by 4. Now 6 times 3 they give us 18, and 1 times 1 they give us 1. So and here multiplication multiply by 4. Now 18 times 4 they give us 72. So the final answer is 72. Thanks for watching.